Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens single box break number 838 of 1314 Upper Deck the Cup. So last and ending the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 26 at 7:18 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. April 26. So the eBay's current day and time. Click refresh, and it's currently Monday, April 27th at 12:42 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are streaming live on Breakers TV here, as per normal. And for the people that have yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Register account there and kind of scroll down, see everything for upcoming breaks. And we are going to be doing some ace case breaks in Toronto there next week. So 838. And this is box 5 of 6 from our case, and our serial number tonight is NE221334143. 4143. So 41. So NE221334143. So our second set of numbers. Or sorry, it is our set of numbers. Sealed. It's sealed. And we'll just go over the rest of the shrink wrap of our tin here, and we'll get started. Sealed all around. Okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. Show you serial number one more time, and we'll get started. Yeah, we like just doing it straight through. None of that editing stuff. 4143. So here we go. How are you doing, Thomas? Probably give you a buzz here in a bit if you're still gonna be up. Gonna do the good old case break labeling tonight. Okay, so here we go, guys and gals. On to our break for tonight. Hopefully for one more big hit, because we hit that Crosby last night there. Pretty nice hit. We've seen that come with another case hit before too, but we've had a tribute in this case already too, so it's going to be tough to say. Okay, so here we go, everyone. So we start off with a base card of Joe Sakic, 42 of 249 for the Avalanche. Joe Sakic. And a one-color auto rookie patch going out to the Detroit Red Wings of Peter Mrazek. Peter Mrazek for the Red Wings. Next one is going out to the Edmonton Oilers. Nice signature patch auto of Nail Yakupov, 15 of 99. 3 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 breaks on it. Nice hit there, going out to Edmonton. And our next one is a Brilliance auto going out to the Sharks of Antti Niemi. Antti Niemi going out to San Jose. And we have ourselves an update. 3 colors, 4 breaks of Patrice Bergeron, 59 of 75. Going out to the Boston Bruins on this one. And finish the 10 off. Nice patch. Going out to the Maple Leafs of Josh Levo, 152 of 249. Josh Levo for the Maple Leafs. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got last box of the case tomorrow, and we'll be starting a new case of Cup. Probably listing a new case starting tomorrow.